Yes, allow me introduce to you a 2-bedroom apartment in the posh area of Canary Wharf. Posh area of London, Canary Wharf. This is a 2-bedroom apartment. So this is the master bedroom. This is a master bedroom. Very spacious, very beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. This is a master bedroom. Very beautiful, very beautiful. Very clean shower. The bathroom, clean, everything on point. And this is now it has it's a 2-bedroom apartment. This is the other bedroom in case your friends or your family. This is where the kids can stay, can sleep, can have a night, as you can see. And this is the sitting room, the sitting area, and this apartment goes for £550 per day per night in peak season, and £330 per night per day in low season. So this is the sitting area. It has a TV, yeah, small dining, as you can see. Yeah. You're here, your friends, you want to chill in this posh area of London, Canary Wharf. This is a place. Yes, it has a kitchen. You want to prepare something for yourself. You want to prepare for yourself a meal. It has a kitchen. You want it's a safe. You want to keep your money. You want to prepare for yourself a cup of coffee. This is a kitchen area. And guess what? This apartment has a balcony, and ladies and gentlemen, look at this view. Canary Wharf, the posh area of London. And this is what this apartment can offer. The views to the surrounding is wow. I told you this apartment, it's a two-bedroom apartment, and in peak season it goes for £550 per day per night, and in low season it's